Once upon a time, it's the story of a princess. A world full of dreams, dolls and teddy bears, no less. She dances in the sunlight, but one day she'll grow up. Listen up. In her sweet world, full of dolls and clowns, there's a prince, a purple bear, always hanging around. She's my little favorite, carefree, always smiling. She don't see our grown-up worries, faces etched with timing. She's dancing in the sun to silent songs on repeat. Golden melodies spin inside her head, that's her beat. One day too soon, yeah, she'll grow up fast. She'll leave her doll, her prince, her old bear in the past. When she goes, they'll cry real low, whispering goodbyes, and I'll know what that feels like, though.
In her world she lives, she dreams, she dances, sheltered from the storms, away from life's advances. But one day she'll leave, and all that shines will fade. They'll say their goodbyes, and I'll be there, waiting in the shade.
Earrings made of laces, Barbie rockin' torn up jeans. She makes faces, shakes me up when I sleep, that's her routine. You ever seen a kitten rock an apron that clean? She hits pause on her music when her brother's on the scene, you feel me? She's right there, inspired, then tired, asking for her PJs, time to dream what's desired. Daddy, see the rain, can I play outside for a while? That's her magic, her madness, her treasure, her style.
In her world she lives, she dreams, she dances, sheltered from the storms, away from life's advances. But one day she'll leave, and all that shines will fade. They'll say their goodbyes, and I'll be there, waiting in the shade.
She's dancing, spinning in the silence so bright. She'll grow up too fast, and everything will take flight. The dolls will cry, and so will her teddy. I'll still be here, but it's not over already.
One day she'll say goodbye to this childhood place, but I'll be here still home in space.